everyone, welcome to Cooking Noodles channel. Today we are going to make potato fry. The ingredients are 1 kg boiled potatoes, 2 tablespoon peanuts, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon pepper, half tablespoon fennel seeds, 3 red chilies, half teaspoon turmeric, salt as per your taste, 3 tablespoon coconut oil. Now heat the pan to medium flame. Now add in the peanuts. Dry roast until golden brown and the raw smell should go. Repeat the same process for rest of the ingredients. Don't let the ingredients get burned. After you've dry roasted it, transfer it into a plate. Keep dry roasting to all of the rest of the ingredients. Now grind the powder. Grind into a powder. It should be into a coarse texture. Now heat up the pan in medium flame and add in the 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let the coconut oil melt. Now add in the boiled potatoes. Mix it well. Mix it really good. Mix it slightly in medium flame. Now add in salt. Next add turmeric. Mix the ingredients well. Now add the masala powder. Mix it well. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Now your potato roast is ready. Turn off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. That looks delicious. Please enjoy it with your family.